So equations with fractions 3, and we are dealing with fractions with binomials in their denominators. At times when you have binomials, you remember what we had a class on that. So let's work this very simple illustration. We have 2 over 5 plus 3 over a minus 8 is equals to 0. Tito, do not freak out. Momo, do not freak out. Just treat these denominators as single numbers, the way you would treat any other. And if you had to find the denominator, you had to use the normal LCM methods to find the normal methods to find the LCM. Else, you multiply the numbers. For instance, if you have to find the LCM of 3 and 7, since there is nothing for you to cancel out, you just multiply it. Same way, apply that same reasoning. Think in that same manner. So the LCM of this would simply be 5 into a minus 8. This will be your LCM. But you don't need to multiply it out. Just leave it in this format. This times this is your LCM. Now, you do as I told you. Multiply each term by the LCM. So we have 2 over 5 multiplied by 5 into a minus 8. That's multiplied by the LCM. Plus 3 all over a minus 8 multiplied by 5 into a minus 8. Remember, 5 into a minus 8 is the LCM. Is equals to 0 into 0 multiplied by 5 into a minus 8. This automatically becomes 0, so nothing to work out there. Now, 5 into a minus 8, we can cancel the 5 out, and we have 2 into a minus 8. That is what is left of the first term, plus your a minus 8 will cancel this a minus 8. It will cancel the whole term, so you have your 5, which is outside the bracket. 3 times 5 is equals to 0. If we solve this, 2 into a is 2a minus 16 plus 3 times 5, 15 is equals to 0. Minus 16 plus 15, that gives you minus 1. We're collecting like terms now, is equals to 0. So 2a, we have to isolate our a. Remember, we're solving for a. So you add 1 to this side and add 1 to this side. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So 0 plus 1 will give you 1. Therefore, a is equals to 1 over 2. That is our first illustration. I hope we're clear. Let's try the next one. Next illustration, you have 5 is equals to 15 over 1 minus r. It's the way you think that helps you to solve your maths questions accurately. You could very easily cross multiply, but like I said, I would apply the LCM again. The first thing is to change this into a fraction by putting it over 1. Now, the LCM of 1 and 1 minus r will be obviously 1 minus r. This is a term. I hope I'm clear on that. So if you multiply each term by the denominator, you have 5 into 1 minus r. That's 5 over 1 multiplied is equals to 15 over 1 minus r multiplied by the LCM, 1 minus r. So 1 minus r will cancel out 1 minus r on the right hand side, and you are left with 15. 1 minus r divided by 1 remains 1 minus r. So you still have 5 into 1 minus r. Now if we multiply this out, you have 5 minus 5r is equals to 15. Minus 5r is equals to 15 minus 5. When you bring plus 5 to this side, so you have minus 5r is equals to 10. Right? R is equals to 10 over minus 5. Therefore, r is equals to minus 2. our third example. Space. Our third example goes thus: 4 all over 2x plus 1 is equals to 2 all over 3x. In this case, we have a binomial in the denominator, and we also have unknowns on the two sides of the equation. No need to be phased. Just think through the question. Your LCM still remains 2x plus 1 times 3x. This is our LCM. And so you multiply this LCM by everything. So you have 4 over 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1 times 3x. That's multiplied by the LCM, is equal to 2 over 3x multiplied by the LCM again, and our LCM is 2x plus 1 into 3x. If you take out the equal elements, so you have 4 into 3x. This is equals to 3x, we cancel 3x. 2 into 2x plus 1. 4 times 3x is 12x. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. So you collect the like terms, you have 12x minus 4x is equals to 2. 8x is equals to 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2 over 8, which is equals to 1 over 4. Excellent. I believe by now you should have a good grasp of this, and then we're going to have our practice questions. Practice questions. Let's try 3 over y, number 1, is equals to 2 over y minus 5. Number 2, we have 13 over 2x plus 1 is equals to 5. Number 3, we have mixed fraction should be in this mix. 2 and half is equals to 10 over 3d plus 7. And 4, question 4, let's look for something slightly more challenging. 2t plus 5 all over t minus 2 is equals to 7 over 3. Feel free to use any method that comes to you. Just make sure you follow the steps clearly and you do not have any errors. You will get the answer to this exercise soonest. That should be it. That is sufficient. Have a nice day.